This was our prediction yesterday. It was clear that we were anticipating for the bullish move. I told you guys that gold will give us the bullish move today due to the fact that this is our support zone. So market must definitely react to that support zone and bounce. Which market has done that? It is not yet over. It is still giving us. It has not fully given us right the movement we are expecting it to give us. So it is still playing. So this is still to tell you that we are still to expect more bullish move on gold. So this video is brought to you by Invest Social, a community where traders, analysts, and also developers come to share market insights, market updates, and also get to stay updated and connect with people, traders of like-minded people. You can become part of this community by visiting investsocial.com. So one thing I always advise and make emphasis on is that you need to know where your trend is, then you have to trade with a trend. This gold, we can clearly see that this is a ranging market move. So there are three main movements we have in the market. Market is either trending to the upside, trending to the downside, or literally ranging. These are the main movements you will most likely find. If you are not trending to the upside, you are definitely trending to the downside or most likely ranging. So with what market is doing right here, market is ranging. As you can see, we are having a bullish move. Then yeah, market was able to drop back to tap the support zone. Market got to the support. We had a rejection, which made market to eventually bounce up. Market eventually came back again to tap the support zone. We had a rejection that made market to eventually reject and bounce up. Now market has now dropped back to tap this our support zone. So we have to expect it to bounce up, thereby come to a level of 4080. So I will be targeting a level of 4080. That should be our level, a level of 4080. Gold is trading at 4053, that is 4053. We are to expect it to give us that movement upward till it is able to hit a level of 4008. That would be about 258 pips. So there is a potential 250 pips to be made on gold if you can just go in for the buy and hold your buy position. Literally, if you can just hold it for probably 2 days, we should be able to see gold hit the level. If you find this video very helpful, do not forget to visit investsocial.com to stay connected and share your own insights and updates.